Have you ever wondered how an enormous amount of information, a blueprint for your entire body, fits inside a space so small you can't even see it? I'm talking about DNA, and its incredible packaging system is one of nature's greatest marvels. Our DNA is like an incredibly long microscopic thread. If you stretched out the DNA from just one of your cells, it would be about 2 meters long. So, how does it all cram into the tiny nucleus of a cell? The answer is a brilliant, multi-level folding process. It all starts with the famous double helix, which we can call the primary coiling. But this simple twist isn't nearly enough. So, the DNA thread wraps itself around tiny protein spools called histones. Imagine winding thread around a bead. That's what DNA does. Each one of these DNA-wrapped beads is called a nucleosome. This is the secondary coiling, and it makes the DNA much more compact. But we're not done yet. Use nucleosomes, looking like beads on a string, then coil up together to form a thicker fiber. This is the tertiary coiling stage, creating what we call a chromatin fiber. Think of it like taking that beaded string and twisting it into a thicker rope. This rope is now about 30 nanometers wide. Even this rope is too long, so the cell organizes it further. The chromatin fiber forms massive loops, anchoring itself to a protein scaffold. It's like neatly looping a garden hose to store it in a small space instead of leaving it tangled all over the yard. Finally, through even more folding and coiling, this loop structure condenses into the iconic X shape we all recognize as a chromosome. This super compact form is what we see when a cell is getting ready to divide. It's the ultimate storage solution for our genetic code. What's really cool is that this packaging isn't just for storage, it's also for control. The chromosome has different regions. Some parts, called heterochromatin, are packed incredibly tightly. The genes here are basically locked away and turned off. Other areas, called Euchromatin, are more loosely packed. This allows the cell's machinery to access the genes in these regions, read them, and put them to work. So, the structure of a chromosome isn't just random coiling. It's a highly organized, dynamic system that allows our cells to store, protect, and regulate access to the massive library of genetic information that makes us who we are. It's an elegant solution to a massive data storage problem, happening inside every one of us, right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the cell's nucleus as amazing as I do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of biology. See you next time.